Hey there, welcome to our channel Login Science. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do text-to-speech on TikTok. So make sure you stick with me till the end and let's get started. Open your TikTok, click on the plus icon. And now you can either create your video or you can just upload it from your gallery as well. And once the video is uploaded, go ahead and click on the text option. Now type your caption, and once you're done, go ahead and click on done, which is at the top right corner. Now just tap on the text and you will see three options. Go ahead and click on the text to speech option, which is at the top. That is all you have to do, and now at the beginning you can hear it.
Me so chill.
Now let's talk about the voice option. You may see the voice option and you might be able to choose from those, but it is not available in every country, so please do keep that in mind. And that is all for how to do text to speech on TikTok. Thank you for watching.